Welcome back to Antique Hardware Supply, where we explore the finer details of home design, one piece of hardware at a time. In today's video, we're diving into a small but incredibly useful feature that's been around for centuries, the surface bolt. If you've ever admired the solid feel and vintage charm of traditional door hardware, this little detail plays a big role. So, what exactly is a surface bolt? At its core, it's a manually operated sliding bolt that mounts directly to the surface of a door, window, or cabinet. It's simple, strong, and versatile. But when you're looking at antique or reproduction designs, it becomes more than just functional. It becomes part of the look and feel of the room. Surface bolts have been used in homes for hundreds of years, especially before built-in locking systems became common. You'd find them on interior doors, French doors, cabinet doors, and even shutters. The reason they stuck around? They're easy to install, easy to use, and they just work. Traditionally, these bolts were crafted from solid materials, usually cast or forged brass or iron, so they were built to last, and the design often matched the architectural style of the home. You'd see ornate detailing in Victorian homes, sleeker lines in colonial styles, and more geometric forms during the Art Deco period. Today, many of those same styles are still being made, and we carry a wide selection that stays true to those original forms. And here's a detail people often miss: the finish. A good finish not only protects the metal, but it helps tie the piece into the room's overall look. We carry finishes like antique brass, matte black, oil-rubbed bronze, and polished nickel. So whether you're restoring an old farmhouse or updating a vintage-style space, there's something that'll blend right in. Beyond their good looks, surface bolts serve a real purpose. They keep doors closed without needing a lock set. They're great for double doors where only one side needs to be held in place. And for privacy, they offer a quiet, reliable way to secure a room without the fuss of a key or latch. That's a quick look at antique surface bolts, where form and function come together in a beautifully simple way. If you're restoring a period home or just appreciate the feel of classic, well-made hardware, surface bolts are one of those details that make all the difference. Thanks for watching Antique Hardware Supply. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into traditional hardware and home accents. And be sure to check the description below. We've linked all of the surface bolts featured in today's video so you can find exactly what you need for your project. See you next time.